So are the Bible prophecies coming? No. Because they what we know as Bible prophecy is all symbolic. There's esoteric knowledge underneath that stuff. It's not literal at all. Judy Smith, what's going on? What's going on? Let's see. Let's see. Stephen Grilly says, to me, it makes more sense that it has thrown itself into ignorance in order for it to experience. So really, it's only remembering and not creating. It's tricky. Could be. So if you want to look at it that way, that's cool. Let's see. It's grounding. Appreciate your energy. If it wasn't for you, I would still be brainwashed. I appreciate that. Appreciate it. But I am only reminding you of what you know. That's all it is. I'm a representation of you in a sense. I'm reminding you, and a lot of people are connecting with me because I'm reminding them of who they are. Plain and simple. So you are literally waking yourself up, because I can give this knowledge and information to plenty of people, flies right over their head. They don't even want to hear it. They do not wake up. I don't have the power to wake somebody up. Only they can do that for themselves. And you have to be the person to accept the knowledge and use it for yourself. Okay. So pat yourself on the back for waking up. Give yourself credit for taking the knowledge and using it and waking yourself up. That's really what it's about, guys. Really and truly. I appreciate the acknowledgement, but the power is in you. And all of you. The power is in you. Let's see.